perfect, nothing to rearrange. Sometimes you just get a feeling like you need some kind of change. No matter odds are this time, nothing's gonna stand in my way. This flame in my heart, like a long lost friend, gives every dark street a light at the end. Standing tall on the wings of my dream, rise and fall on the wings of my dream. Through the rain and thunder, the wind and haze, I'm bound for better days. My life, my dream, and nothing's gonna stop me now.
So what's important here is that you know the dimensions of the garden is 20 meters by 25 meters, so it's a rectangle, and it's surrounded by a walkway. So our lovely garden has a path around it. Makes sense? Outside perimeter of the walkway is at least 114 meters. Okay, so you know you're going to need an equation that's going to involve 114 meters. What is the minimum width of the walkway? Generally, the last sentence will tell you the variable you're going to solve for. So in this case, we know we're going to be solving for the width of the walkway. Okay, so I'm going to paste in a little garden here, and I'm going to insert a boom rectangle. All right, so it says 25 meters. So let's make this width here 25 meters. We know the width of the garden goes along here. What about the height of the garden? Well, we know that's 20 meters tall. And we know that this side and this side are the same length, and this side and this side are the same length because it's a rectangle with right angles. Now, the walkway, the thing you walk around in the edge, that is going to be your unknown. We don't know that. That's what we're looking for. So let's just call it x. So you got x, and it's going to be uniform all the way around. It's a width. You walk around a sidewalk with equal width everywhere, although the diagram is a little off in that case. Now, what can we do? Well, hey, let's try and find out how tall the whole park is, including the walkway. You can do it with variables, right? You know it's going to be x plus 20 plus another x. So 2x plus 20 is going to be the height of this garden, and the width is going to be x plus 25 plus another x, so 2x's plus 25. Makes sense to me. Now, this is where we use our perimeter is at least 114. So perimeter, what you always do is you write down your equation. Perimeter is 2L plus 2W. That's the equation for a rectangle. Let's say this is L and this is W. It doesn't matter which one you pick, as long as you pick one is length, one's the width. Okay, and now you put your stuff in. So let's put the length in. We know the length is 2x plus 20, so you insert that. And we insert W, replace it with 2x plus 25. Alright, let's use some blue for the next one. Well, you multiply 2 times 2x is 4x, 2 times 20 is 40, 2 times x again is 4x, and 2 times 25 is 50. Good. You group your like terms. We got x's the same. We got 8x here, and 40 and 50 gives you 90. Alright, so our perimeter equation is P equals 8x plus 90. We know that perimeter is going to be greater than or equal to 114 meters. Okay, so let's sub that in. We'll use some red. 114 is smaller than or equal to 8x plus 90. Now we have an equation with one variable, x, so let's get x. This is going to be the width of our walkway. So you want variables on one side, numbers on the other, so you got to get rid of this plus 90. You're adding 90, so you do the opposite operation. You got it? Subtract 90. And when you do it to one side, you got to do it to both. Okay, what's 114 minus 90? Well, you put that in your trusty brain. You get 24 is smaller than or equal to 8x. Good. Now you want just 1x, so you divide the coefficient in front of it, which is 8. And if you do it to the right side, you got it to the left side. So then, let's swing up here. You get x is greater than or equal to 3. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So that's it. So you solve for x. It's a nice number. Usually you'll get a nice number, but not always the case. And then you're done. You say the minimum width. Always have a completing statement. Width is 3 meters for the walkway. And your teacher will be impressed that you included a final statement. And that's it. You're done the work. So thanks for listening, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.